welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. This video regards the reviews about this hotel, calculation, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and facilities also. The location and recommendations in landmark also. You can find which is the fabulous.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Web reviews and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. You can also book the link provided in the description.